Welcome to the start of the Have a Break journey. It all begins here with our fresh wafer batter. These industrial ovens bake our signature thin wafers to a perfect crisp golden brown, the base of every bar.
Next, we apply the secret, our smooth chocolate cream, layering it precisely for that irresistible texture.
Precision is key. High-speed blades meticulously cut the stacks into the iconic four-finger shape. But before the chocolate bath, our R&D team ensures the finest quality cocoa and ingredients are used.
This is the moment. Each bar is generously coated in our signature milk chocolate, the perfect shell for the break.
The bars then enter the cooling tunnel, setting the chocolate to guarantee the famous sharp snap. Ready for the world, automated systems wrap and seal each bar, locking in the freshness.
Our products are everywhere, even supporting exciting projects like this. It's more than just a chocolate bar.
It takes precision, passion, and great people to make a great break. Thank you for joining the tour.